These are the instructions for loading a generic Denison style fine tagger. First, remove the tagger from the package and you'll notice that there is a strap wrapped around the handle. That strap actually contains a protective cover for the needle, and the needle is actually inserted inside. For now, we're going to leave the needle inside so we can learn about the other parts of the gun. This is your trigger. When you squeeze the trigger, a hammer comes out. The hammer enables the fastener to be thrust through the needle and into the fabric. On the other side of the gun, there is a needle lock. In order to place the needle in the gun, the needle lock needs to be in that position. And you'll notice that there is a cavity here. We're going to take that needle carefully, and we're going to line up. There's a slit going straight across. We'll line that slit up so that it's facing this slit that's found in the side of the gun. And there will be a little moon-like compression at the top. That's got to go there. So now the proper position for that needle is so you can see the slit going all the way across. We're then going to turn the needle lock back into the locked position, and that needle will be solidly stuck into the gun. Remember always, when you're done using the gun, place the protective cover on the needle. Just going to untie it here. And that prevents transfer of diseases or injury. Okay, now let's get the fasteners into this gun. Open up a package of fasteners here. Pull out the cartridge. And you'll notice that there's a tip and a tail. Tip's a little bit thinner, tail's a little bit wider. Some people call it the paddle on the tip, but the tip side goes in from the top of the gun as such, and your gun is ready. Now, in order to use the gun, to illustrate the usage of the gun, we'll make believe that these two things are fabric and a tag. You thrust the needle through the hole in the tag, and you thrust the needle through the fabric. You hold it up against the surface of the gun, squeeze the trigger, release, and pull. And there you go. Your tag is attached to the fabric.